Hello everyone, I just finished showering and it's now 2:55 p.m. I don't really have anything to do today. Maybe do my homework and we'll probably go to the market and do some cleaning. It's cool. Hi Daddy. Yung mask
Hello.
Daddy.
Ay.
Cleaning. Ito, Danica です。
ダニカ。
はい、そうです。
だね。
だです。はい。
あ、ラ。
だ。
だ。
だですね。だ。
ラッパの。はい、じゃあこちら。
ありがとうございます。
お預かりしますね。ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。Oh, Kuya will help you because it's too omoy.
I'm just kidding. 감사합니다.
So this is my kuya.
Hello everybody, 皆さんこんにちは。
He's gonna try my cooking.
これなんて言うんだっけ?
Kimchi fried rice.
This is kimchi fried rice and I'm going to try it.
Let me see. You see?
ちょっと待って。おいしい。
So since I have nothing else to do, I'm going to talk to you guys about shuji or Japanese calligraphy. And some of you may or may not know, but I actually learned shuji for about 4 years. I started learning shuji when I was in 6th grade. And to tell you guys about shuji, in shuji we have different types of styles. Is that what you call it? Shurei. We have different types of shurei. And first you have kaisho, which is the block style. We also have Kyosho, which is the semi-cursive style, and some Sosho, and all the other types of shuji. But from where I learned, I only learned the Kaisho and Gyosho, which I'm going to show you later. So in Japanese calligraphy, when you learn shuji, we have levels, and the class that I learned at had 8 levels, and the level 8 was the highest level. We have levels called Q and Dan, and Dan is higher than Q. So I started at Gokyu, which is the 5th level, the lowest level. So it goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then when you pass the 1, the EQ, you move on to Dan, which is the higher level of Q. And when you pass the Dan, it goes Ichidan, which is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, until you go to the highest level, which is level 8. And I went until Nanadan, which is level 7. And if I didn't stop shuji, maybe I would have passed level 8. Who knows? And I stopped doing shuji because I got too busy in high school with my studies and stuff. But I still do it as a hobby. So I'm going to show you guys how we do our shuji. So this is how we set our shuji. We have our otehon on our left side. And this is our sumi, the ink that we use. And we have all of this on our right side. We have the brush and the thing where you put the ink in. And I'll show you guys how we write our calligraphy. So we put our ink here. And just a tip for holding your brush. So my teacher always told me to hold the brush like this, because some other students hold their brushes like this. And when you hold it like this, you don't really have control over your brush. So she told me to use 2 fingers at the front for more control. So let's start writing. The hard part. This is read as tame, and it's very hard because of the lines. It has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lines, which is very hard. Here's the finished product. No, it's not the best, but I tried. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!